My people, he began, children of the great plains and guardians of the fertile valleys, today we gather not as mere individuals but as one body, one heartbeat, and one destiny. I greet you in the name of our ancestors, whose spirits walk among us, guiding and protecting our steps. Our land is rich with blessings. The rivers flow with life, the soil yields its fruits, and the skies bless us with rain. Yet, my people, we find ourselves in a time of great trial. The harvest has been less bountiful than before, and whispers of discord threaten the harmony we hold dear. Today, I speak not only to your ears but to your hearts, for it is there that unity begins. Unity is the foundation upon which all progress is built. A bundle of sticks tied together cannot be easily broken, but one stick, standing alone, will snap under the slightest pressure. So it is with us. If we are divided by envy, fear, or mistrust, we weaken the very fabric of our community. We must remember the wisdom of our ancestors. They taught us that when the sun sets, it does not ask which hut it shines on, nor does the rain choose which field to nourish. The blessings of the earth are for all, and so too must our efforts be shared. Let us not see our neighbor as a competitor, but as a partner in the journey toward prosperity. Our culture is the lifeblood of our people. It is the thread that weaves together the stories of our past and the dreams of our future. But culture is like a fire, it must be tended, or it will fade to embers. The songs we sing, the dances we perform, the proverbs we teach our children, these are not just traditions, they are the essence of who we are. In these changing times, there are those who will tell us to leave our ways behind, to embrace the new and forget the old. But I say to you, my people, that the tree cannot grow tall without its roots. Let us embrace the opportunities of the present while holding fast to the wisdom of the past. Let us teach our children the value of respect, hard work, and the bonds of family, for they are the torchbearers of our heritage. My young ones, you are the fireflies that light the darkness of the night. Your energy and creativity are the key to our progress. But remember this, a house cannot stand on pillars of sand. Ground yourselves in the values of our people, and you will build a future that honors our past while embracing the possibilities of tomorrow. To our wise elders, you are the baobabs in whose shade we find wisdom and guidance. I call upon you to share your knowledge generously, for a river that stops flowing becomes stagnant. Guide us with your stories, your counsel, and your prayers, so that we may walk a path that is both righteous and prosperous. My people, progress is not a gift, it is a harvest. And like any harvest, it requires the planting of seeds, the tending of fields, and the sweat of our brows. Let us work together to cultivate our land, not only for our needs but for the generations to come. Let us build schools to educate our children, markets to trade our goods, and roads to connect us to one another. But above all, let us plant the seeds of unity. Let us listen to one another, respect our differences, and resolve conflicts with wisdom and compassion. When a drumbeat is joined by many hands, it becomes a song that can be heard across the hills. Let our unity be that song, a melody of strength and harmony that resonates far and wide. There will be times when the road is steep, when the storms threaten to sweep us away. In those moments, remember this, a river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Together, we can overcome any obstacle, but only if we stand as one. My people, let us leave this place today not just as villagers, but as stewards of our destiny. Let us be the weavers of a brighter tomorrow, each thread contributing to the beauty and strength of the tapestry.